Welcome to second part of exploratory data analysis. Okay, let's plot some histogram plot of numerical category variables. Uh, we can plot bedrooms, bathrooms, stories, and parking because we have already plotted and looked into price and area. What we can do is we can try to plot all of them in one plot. So we can do figure axis equals to plt dot subplots. So if I want to plot four of them, so we can plot it in one row. So number of rows equals to 1 and number of columns equals to 4. Good. Okay, true. And figure size, let's keep it as 30 and 5. Okay, now we can plot as sns dot hist plot data as house, sorry, data as house. X should be bedrooms, and let's keep it in first row, first column. So ax equal to axs 0. Okay, let's copy paste the entire thing 4 times. Okay, and change this as bathrooms, stories, and parking. Change the axis as 1, 2, and 3. Let's run this. Oops. Cannot interpret bedrooms. What is error? Okay, got the error. This should not be in colons. Sorry for this. And now it should run. Bingo. Okay, so majority of the houses have 3 bedrooms. Majority of the houses have 1 bathrooms. Okay, majority of the house have either 1 stories or 2 stories. And of course, majority of the house has 0 parking or 1 or 2. Looks good. Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the next. Okay, now let's plot some binary categorical variables. The binary variables are basically basement, because it contains yes or no, hot water heating. Main road is also a binary variable. Guest room, yes or no, yes, is a binary variable. And preface area as well. Let's plot 5 of this. Air conditioning, I think, is also a binary variable. Okay, I have already pasted this over here. So basically what I've done is pasted this row over here. We shall keep it as 5. We shall keep it all like in one row and 5 columns, and we shall keep it as 35 because that will do. Okay, now s will do a count plot. Sns dot count plot data is equals to house, x equals to basement, and axis equals to ax 0. Let me copy this quick. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now okay, this placement is hot water heating, hot water heating. This should be AXS, and this one as well, and a colon, yeah, and one. Then should be main road, guest room, guest room. Okay, this one should be access 2, access 3, and final one. Let's preface area. Pre Pref area. Yeah, pref area. That's 4, and yeah, let's run this. I hope it is fine. Yep, let's run this. Okay, yeah, majority of them has basement, has water heating, is located to the main road, has guest room as well, and has beef area as well. Okay, fine. Okay, let's create a categorical plot of columns which has multiple categories. So over here, furnishing status, I think so. Yeah, it contains furnished, semi-furnished, and unfurnished. So let's plot this as well. Okay, we'll do a cat plot. SNS.cat plot data equals to house and x equals to what? Oh, I just missed this. Furnishing status, furnishing status, and what? Find is equals to count. We do busy load. Look at the count. Good. Yeah. Let's run this. String object has get. Okay. I just found out the error, and this is the same mistake which I am doing. This should be like this. Okay. So the majority of the house are semi-furnished, then there is unfurnished, and there are less houses just furnished status. Cool. Okay, let's move on to the next and try to plot a multiple of the variables together. We can try to plot price versus area relationship with multiple variables. Multiple variables as in we can plot it with respect to bedrooms, with respect to bathrooms, stories, main road, and guest rooms. We'll try to do a scatter plot. Okay, how many variables we trying to do? It's almost 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10 variables. So let's make it two rows and 5 columns. Okay, let me copy this from here. Let me copy this from the 2 rows and 5 columns. Yeah, let's increase this as well. 15. We'll do a scatter plot. What we can do is copy this from here and try to manipulate on top of that. Okay, SNS will do a scatter plot. So scatter plot data is equals to house, x equals to area, and y is equals to what? On price. Sorry, we'll keep hue as bedrooms and access as ax equal to axs. 0 comma 0. Is this fine? Yeah, this is fine. Let's do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Indicate bathrooms. There should be 0, 1. Next is stories. We'll make it 0, 2. We'll make it main road. Make it 0, 3. Guest room. 0, 4. Basement. There should be 1 and 0. Yep. The hot water heating. 0, 1. There should be 1, 1 actually. We'll keep parking as well. There should be 1, comma 2. We'll keep it pref area. 1, comma 3. And furnishing status. Comma 4. I hope this is right. Let's run this. Okay, got it. So each of the plots talks about the price versus area relationship along with bedrooms, bathrooms, and stories. What information do we get from here? Majority of housing, hot water heating, which is no, is located on the lower values. Okay, what else do we get over here? Again, yeah, majority of brief area, which is a value no, is on the lower values of both price versus area. Guest rooms, which doesn't have any guest room, so the price is also low and the area is also low, quite obvious. Again, the houses which is not located towards the main road, this orange color one is located towards the lower value, which means the price is also low and the area is also low. Okay, good. What else? The number of stories is also low, or maybe we can look at other way. The houses which has the more number of stories has higher price and higher area, a greater area. Again, this also has the same value. The number of bathroom which has houses which has more number of bathrooms has uh, higher area and higher price, as well as bedrooms. We can see over here, number 6 one. Again, it has high area and high price. Okay,